Imagine yourself in this GMC 2012 Sierra 1500 4WD extension cab 143.5 inches SLE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include airbags, frontal, driver and right front passenger with passenger sensing system. Always use safety belts and the correct child restraints for your child's age and size. Even in vehicles equipped with airbags and the passenger sensing system, children are safer when properly secured in a rear seat in the appropriate infant, child or booster seat. Never place a rear-facing infant restraint in the front seat of any vehicle equipped with an active frontal airbag. See the owner's manual and child safety seat, airbags, seat-mounted side impact, driver and right front passenger for thorax and pelvic protection. Head curtain side airbags are designed to help reduce the risk of head and neck injuries to front and rear seats.